Good morning, students. Today I'll be teaching language to the students of Standard 7. This is lesson 2, Adjectives. This is in page number 19. You can take out your books also. Now first of all, adjectives are describing words. It describes, identifies or quantifies a noun or a pronoun. This already you have read in the previous classes. Like for example, a windy day. So windy. Windy tells us about day. So windy is adjective. Old table. So old is adjective. Now in this chapter mainly we'll read about different kinds of adjectives. You can see over here there are 8 different major kinds of adjective. First we'll see adjectives of quality. Adjective of quality, this tells us about the quality of the noun. It gives us the answer to the question what kind of. It can be shape, size, color, etc. Like for example, a blue jacket. So blue, it tells us the color of the jacket. Round box. So round is adjective over here. Then the next one is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity tells us about how many or how much of something it is. It tells us many in the case of countable nouns, and in the case of uncountable nouns it is how much. Like many friends. Friends. So many friends. Many is used for countable noun. This is friends. Little money. Money is uncountable. So little. Now the third one is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective means demonstrate, means to point out. To point out a specific noun or pronoun. Like this, that, these, those. Like this pen, that house, these pencils. So these all are demonstrative adjectives. And the fourth one is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions. So it is usually used just before the noun, like which pen? Which pen is this? So which is interrogative adjective? What problem? What is interrogative adjective? Then the fifth one is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives indicates possession. That means whose it is. Like her son. So her is possessive adjective. My box. My is possessive adjective. Then the sixth one is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number indicates the number of the noun. Now these adjectives of number are again further classified into 4 different kinds of adjectives of number. You can see over here these are 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are adjectives of number. First one is indefinite adjectives of number. So indefinite adjectives of number, they don't specify a special number. Like some people, we don't know exactly how many people. So some people, any pen. So these are indefinite. Then distributive adjectives. Distributive adjective refers to a person or thing separately. You try to understand this. Like each student is present today. So each. Here each is distributive adjective. Every boy in the class. So every distributive adjective. Then third one is cardinal numbers. Cardinal number tells us exactly number of noun. So the exact number of noun, like suppose 3 pens. So 3 exact number. 20 rupees. So 20 exact number. Ordinal numbers mention rank, position, order of a noun in series. Like first boy in the class. So first. Third time. So third. So this first and third, these are ordinal numbers. So these all 4 are different kinds of adjectives of number. Now the 7th one is proper adjective. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Proper nouns like Irish woman. So Irish, proper adjective. Indian restaurant. Indian proper adjective. Then the last one is 8 number, emphasizing adjectives. Emphasize means to lay stress upon something, to lay stress upon a noun. Like for example, mind your own business. So own, this is emphasizing. Actual man, so this is actual, is emphasizing adjective. So these are the 8 different kinds of adjectives. So I hope you all have understood. Now this also you should know how adjectives are formed. Adjectives are formed from nouns or from verbs. Like if they are formed from nouns, this is very important. Like angry, anger will become angry. Danger, dangerous. From verbs, accept will become acceptable and create will become creative. I hope you can understand. So these forms of how they are formed from nouns or from verbs, these you will need in transformation of sentences and all. So you try to understand this. Now this is also very important, compound adjectives. What are compound adjectives? These are very simple. 2 or more words are joined together to modify the same noun. As you have read in the previous chapter, compound nouns. Similarly, compound adjectives. 2 or more words are joined together to modify the same noun. Like for example, half-baked ideas. Half-baked. So this 2-word adjective, this is known as compound adjective. Then 10-page assignment. So this 10-page, this is compound adjectives. So children, I hope you could understand this very clearly. You just try to remember these points, and you will do as homework exercise A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And in the next video, I'll continue with this chapter. So by then, thank you to all of you.